5 most powerful fighter jet of India. Rafale. French twin-engine omnirole fighter with advanced avionics and weapons capable of air superiority, deep strike and nuclear missions. Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Russian-designed Indian-built twin-engine multi-role air superiority fighter jet with superior maneuverability and range, forming the backbone of the Indian Air Force. Tejas LCA. India's indigenous multi-role fighter jet Tejas is a single-engine lightweight and highly maneuverable supersonic fighter jet. Mirage 2000. The Mirage 2000 is a single-engine fourth-generation multi-role fighter jet. MiG-29. The MiG-29 is a Soviet-era twin-engine multi-role fighter jet designed for aerial combat and ground attack.